Hello, welcome to my channel, Commerce Lab. This is Umer. Today we will talk about presentation. Now let's first discuss what is presentation. By presentation we means when a speaker conveys certain information to group of people or audience, that is presentation. Now in organizations we have heard about different type of presentations, like when there is a launch of new product, or when there is a general meeting in the office. Now certain people are asked to present the condition or the position of the department. Similarly, there are also academic presentations where students are asked to present as per their course outlines, and it gives some weightage to their marks in terminal exams. Now, the main topic that how to make this presentation more effective and valuable. Now, there are certain skills or certain, you may call them rules, etiquettes. If we follow them, we can make an effective and very well presentation. What are they? Let's discuss them one by one. First of all, you do not need to hustle. Don't be a hustler. Now, most of time in like education institutions, I have seen students, they try to finish the presentation as early as possible. Now, it gives a really bad impression, and it gives a clear signal that student is very much confused. Now, there is no reason to be confused, and if you are confused, what you need to do, just when you are asked for the presentation or when it's your turn to present to the audience, just go on the stage for 5 to 10 seconds. Do not speak, do not write, just scan the room, scan the audience. It will give you certain time to gain some confidence. Now, it's very valid that you look confident. If you look confident, you will definitely present confident. So, and first, what we just discussed is do not hustle, or there is no need to hustle. Now, secondly, make eye contact with the audience. Again, it's very important that you must have eye contact with the audience. Now, if you are only doing the paper reading, and no matter how beautifully you are reading it out and how well written it is, but it's not going to give any effectiveness to the audience. Why? Because you lack eye contact. Because it's very important to make eye contact with the audience. It will develop or build a connection between you and your audience, and they will, they will focus what you are saying. They will listen to you, and they will listen with all ears. It's really important to make eye contact with the audience and not just read through the paper or your notes. Now, thirdly, keep moving on the stage. Now, where you're asked to present, you are supposed to keep moving. Why? Because you are not supposed to present on a certain corner or focus at 2 or 3 people at the corner. You are supposed to keep moving on the stage. In this way, you will focus on all the audience, and there will be a connection between you and among them. Okay, it's again very important to keep moving and do not focus on one corner or certain 3 or 4 audience. It gives more confidence to the speaker, and audience gets involved with your presentation as well. Now, again, important point is that is be relevant. The thing is, whatever is your presentation about, be relevant about the topic. Otherwise, it gets bored and your presentation is no more effective. You may present some short presentation, but it should be effective and relevant. Then Next important points about the presentation is share your personal experience. Now, whatever your presentation is about, whether it's a business presentation or motivational presentation or any kind of presentation, just give your personal experience. What it will do, it will generate, it will help you to gain the attention of the audience. So always share some personal experiences, stories. It kind of gains the interest of the audience. Again, an important point about an effective presentation is use of audio visuals. That is, you may use a projector to demonstrate your presentation. Like if you are giving presentation on economy, you may use some graphical presentations. The fiscal years, last year this was the condition, now we are here. That will help to understand the audience your point very well. Now, another important point, that win presentation with a smile. What it means you must, when somebody smiles at you, of course you smile back. That develops a connection, a positive vibes. Same goes with the presenter. When he looks at the audience, he makes eye contact, he smiles to them, audience smile back, and it gives very good impression to the presentation as well. Now, last but not the least, have a grip about the subject you are going to present. If you have all the skills, that is about your body language, about your voice, everything, but you do not have grip of the subject, what you will present. So of course, no doubt, about 50 to 60% in a presentation, it's all about your body language, your eye contact, your voice, your tone, but you must have a grip of the subject you are about to present. Okay, now we will just summarize the points what we have discussed. First, we said we don't need to hustle in a presentation. We need to give time to ourselves to gain some confidence. Then I said make eye contact with the audience. It will help to engage audience with yourself. Then I said keep moving on the stage. Do not stay or corner yourself to certain group of people. You must focus to all the audience. Then be relevant. Make your presentation be relevant according to the subject of the presentation. Then I said tell a personal story or share a personal experience. It will help to gain interest in your presentation. Use of visuals and audio, that is use of technology in shape of projectors, graphs, anything. It helps to demonstrate very well your presentation. Then I said win presentation with a smile. Of course, you don't need to be too serious. There should be a friendly environment. You may give a smile, there is a positive vibes, and it gains the attention of the audience. And last not the least, I said have a good subject grip about what you are going to present. Hope you understand well what we discussed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos about business communication or technical writing and presentations. See you. Thank you.